Welcome back, guys. So today I am going to tell you how to add a background music on your WordPress website using Elementor free. So let me visit my site. So here is my website. I want to add a background music on the homepage. I will click on Edit with Elementor. So I want to add a section here and I want to add it. I just want to hear the background music on my home page. On this section here, I will here on widgets, I search for video. Here is the video. I will drag and drop it under the logo section. So here it is. Here on source, YouTube, I will select posted, and here I'll choose video file. So I choose my audio file. Here I will click on upload files. Here is my audio file. I will upload my audio file and I will click on select. Here it is. So now if I click on autoplay, let me here, here, you can see, I think you can hear the music. Yeah. So let me go to advanced tab here. I want to add this section. I will click on width here and here I will click on custom. So let me make it center. So here it is. You can see. Now I will make it 0. I think you can see the dot here, the pink dot, but now it's hard. So I will click on publish. I will go back here. Now you can see here it's not. You can see you can't see the music section here. And now I will go back to my edit with Elementor section. So I will click this section here, go to content here, click on autoplay. I think now you can hear the background music here. I will autoplay. I will click now. I just click on autoplay and I just make and I just published it. Now I will refresh my website and you can hear the background music on my home page. Let me go back and let me visit this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.